Hi, I'm going to be talking about colon cancer and the role nutrition has in the prevention and treatment of this disease. Colon cancer is a disease in which abnormal cells begin to grow uncontrollably in the colon, also known as the large intestine. These abnormal cells originate in the lining of the colon and can form a tumor as they multiply. This image over here shows what a healthy colon looks like, and then in a 10 to 20-year progression, it shows what your large intestine looks like with the colon cancer. It starts with a small benign growth, a polyp, and then a large benign growth, which is an early adenoma, and then a large one, which is a late adenoma, and then a carcinoma, which is the tumor, and then the colon cancer. The pathophysiology of colon cancer, which means how it develops, is that colon cancer originates from DNA mutations that cause cells in the colon to grow abnormally. These mutations may be inherited or developed over time due to factors such as diet and lifestyle. As abnormal cells multiply, they can form small growths called polyps. While most polyps are harmless, some can become cancerous over a period of 10 to 15 years, like I stated above in this picture. If this cancer hasn't been caught, it can grow deeper into the layers of the colon and eventually block the bowel. Without early diagnosis and treatment, the cancer can spread to other parts of the body, making it more difficult to treat. Over here are some general risk factors of colon cancer. One of the primary risk factors for developing colon cancer is age. While you can get colon cancer at any age, the risk increases significantly for people who are over the age of 50. Race is another factor, as colon cancer has been shown to occur more frequently in Black individuals. Additionally, people who have had previously colon cancer are at higher risk of developing it again. Some certain medical conditions also increase the risk, including diabetes, obesity, inflammatory bowel diseases, and diseases such as Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis, and a history of radiation therapy for cancer. Um, some lifestyle choices play an important role as well. Smoking excessively and excessive alcohol consumption and lack of regular physical activity are all associated with a higher risk of colon cancer. Your diet is also another contributing factor. Diet that is low in fiber and high in fat, particularly those including large amounts of red and processed meats, have been linked to an increased risk of developing colon cancer. Finally, genetic factors can significantly increase risks. Individuals with inherited conditions such as Lynch syndrome, as well as those with a family history of colon cancer, are more likely to develop this disease. Moving on, some current nutrition recommendations up here. A healthy diet plays an important role in supporting colon health and reducing the risk of colon cancer. A plant-based diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains is strongly recommended, with an emphasis on leafy greens and vegetables, such as carrots. Um, Carbohydrates should make up to approximately 50 to 65% of total daily calories. Healthy carbohydrate sources include whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes. Um, Lean proteins are essential for tissue repair and maintaining healthy muscles. Recommended protein sources include fish, eggs, beans, and low-fat dairy products. Red and processed meats, such as beef, bacon, and hot dogs, should be limited or avoided due to their association with increased risk of colon cancer. An increased intake of dietary fiber is also recommended. Fibers support healthy digestion and has been shown to reduce the risk of developing colon cancer. Adults should aim for approximately 25 to 40 grams of fiber per day. Staying hydrated is also very important and it helps proper digestion function, so just always make sure you're drinking enough water. Healthy fats should be included in the diet as well. Olive oil, nuts, and avocados provide beneficial fats, while saturated and trans fats should be limited. Vitamin intake is also essential. Key vitamins include vitamins A, C, E, and B, which support immune functions, tissue repairs, and just overall health. Ensuring a balanced diet helps provide these essential nutrients daily. This picture over here shows what good foods to eat and then what bad foods to eat in prevention of colon cancer. Some good foods, like I mentioned before, are whole fruits and vegetables, low-fat dairy, whole grains, beans, lean meats, and nuts. What you should avoid are red or processed meats, added sugar, alcohol, and processed and fast food. Down here are some habits that help with colon cancer. One important healthy habit is regular exercise. Physical activity benefits the entire body and helps maintain overall health in adults. You should aim for at least 30 minutes of exercise per day, but even 10 minutes or 5 minutes, any kind of exercise per day is very beneficial. Another important habit is limiting alcohol consumption and avoiding smoking. 1 to 2 alcoholic drinks per day is considered moderate, but less is better for long-term health. Alcohol can weaken the immune system, while smoking damages organs and significantly increases the risk of many diseases, including colon cancer. Maintaining a healthy diet and body weight is also essential. Eating a balanced, high-fiber diet supports digestion and overall health, and individuals who consume higher amounts of fiber are less likely to develop colon cancer. Finally, regular health screenings are crucial for early detection of this illness. Detecting conditions such as colon cancer early can greatly improve treatment outcomes and may even save lives. Down here, the picture to the left shows what you can do to reduce your risk factors for colon cancer. And like I mentioned over here, exercise plays a huge role in keeping your body healthy. Eating healthy, quitting smoking, and drinking in moderation, and losing weight are all very beneficial for your body and the prevention of colon cancer. So yeah, overall, colon cancer is a serious but often preventable disease when detected early. Understanding the risk factors, maintaining healthy lifestyle, and making informed choices about diet, exercise, and screenings can significantly reduce the risk of developing colon cancer. By prioritizing regular checkups and adopting healthy habits, people can improve their overall well-being and increase the chances of early detection, leading to more effective treatment and better outcomes. Thank you.